Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Class 2nd standard, subject EVS, topic Exploring Earth. Dear children, today we are going to learn Exploring Earth lesson. Observe in your textbook, children. Dear people, I have come to know that you are doing a lot of research on other planets. You are sending satellites and putting up stations in space. See, children, Earth is informing to us, informing to people. Okay, I have come to know that you are doing a lot of research on other planets. You are sending satellites and putting up stations in space. Yes, our people are sending so much of satellites like Sputnik 1, Sputnik 2 and then Sputnik 2. They are sending one dog. That dog name is Laika. See, here is the Sputnik 2. And they are sending, our scientists are sending Sputnik 3 also to the space station to sending satellites to putting up stations in space. They are doing lot of research on other planets. I am a little confused whether to be happy or sad about this. I am not sure how much you know about. After all, you all live on me. Live on me means Earth. I am your home planet, which you all call Earth. Yes, dear children, Earth is our home planet. Okay. Here the Earth has land and water. Our Earth has land and water. Which is our home planet, children? Yes, Earth is our home planet. Yes, our Earth has water is found in oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. And also very high land is called mountain. The flat areas of land are called plains. Like deserts are found in our earth, and in the desert so many animals. Some of animals live in habitat only for animals but also for humans also. Dear children, today let me take you all on an exploratory journey. I am round like an orange. I move round the earth. I move round the sun. Here is the sun diagram is there. I move around the sun. I have air around me which you all breathe. When you look at me from space, I appear more blue than brown. This is because I have more water on my surface. The land part is less, but even that is big enough to hold all of you. See, Earth is our home planet, no? So we get heat and light from the sun. I am round like an orange. Our Earth is round like an orange. I move round the sun. Earth is moves round the sun. Sun gives us heat and light, no? Yes. Sun is only natural source of light for our earth. In earth, it consists of oasis. In deserts have some water, no? That is called oasis. Here, deserts also is there. In earth has deserts, rocky mountains and deserts and rocky deserts, sandy deserts also is there. The surface is not even. It is not smooth either. Some parts are high, some are very high, some are low, some are very deep. Yes, children, the earth has so much of parts. Okay, all the surfaces, earth surface is not even. It is not smooth either. Some parts are high like mountains and some plain lands also is there. And some are plateaus. Plateaus means very high and some are very high and also some are low and some are very deep. See, earth has not even all these in earth, mountains, plateaus, plains, coastal plains, deserts and islands also is there. See, Here is the plains. Flatlands are called plains. My high flatlands are called plains. Most of you live. You built houses, which is where most of you live, and grow crops on my plains. These are the plains. My high parts are called hills. Some of you live on the slopes of hills. Many of you go there for holidays as the climate is much cooler than in plains. Here is the plateaus. Okay. My high parts are called hills. Here is very high land is called mountains. Very high land is called as mountains. Here is the Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. And also it has 8,848 meters above the sea level. Solid rocky masses present in long chains. See, mountains. I have mountains which are covered with snow. Mountain goats and snow leopards live here. It is very cold. There are low areas between hills and mountains are called valleys. There are lowlands between hills and mountains. These are called valleys. The land between the mountain is called valley. See here, Himalayan valleys. Himalayas is there, no? Himalayan mountain ranges. The Himalaya mountain ranges run 2,400 kilometers across north of India. The Himalayan mountain ranges run 2,400 kilometers across north of India. These are the Himalayan ranges. Kashmir Valley is between the Karakoram and Pir Panjal range in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. Here you can see, children, some hills have a flat top. Those are called plateaus. Here some hills have a flat top. Observe, children, in this textbook also, in your textbook also, and this figure also, those are called plateaus. Some hills have a flat top. Those are called plateaus. Raised flat surface areas bounded by cliffs or steep slopes. I have deserts. There is little rain here and lots of sand. Trees and plants do not grow in deserts. Camels are quite happy here. You will find it very hot. Unlike the hills and the mountains. See, deserts are of two types, hot or cold. Here is a desert. In deserts, very little or no rainfall in deserts. Some deserts have barren like deserts. Barren means like this. Big holes. These are the barren like deserts also we can see. Some deserts in India Thar desert is in India. It is very hot desert. This is the Thar desert. And also here is the Gobi desert in Mongolia and China, cold desert. This desert is cold desert. Understood, children? Here hot desert. Thar desert is the hot desert and Gobi desert in Mongolia and China are cold deserts. When you look at my physical map, you see some winding blue and white lines. These are streams and rivers. The snow of mountains melt and flow as rivers and streams. See, children, when you look at the physical map, this is the physical map, you see some winding blue and white lines. These are streams and rivers. Okay, these are streams and rivers. The snow of mountains melt and flow as rivers and streams. Here, the snow of mountains melt and flow as rivers and streams. Here you can find, no? When you look at your physical map, you see some winding blue and white lines. These are streams and rivers. The bigger bodies of water are called seas and oceans. The bigger body of seas is called as oceans and seas. The water in these is salty. The largest living creature, the blue whale, lives in these oceans. The largest creature, blue whale, lives in these oceans. Water is found in oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. Dear Earth, you are such a fascinating place. You give us everything we need: air, water, and land for food and shelter. You are perfect for our home. It is because of you that we breathe, live, study, think, and are able to do research and explore other planets. We are taking you for granted and not doing much to show our appreciation towards you. Thank you for opening our eyes. Dear Earth, we will now take good care of you. Yes, children, we should take good care of our earth. Here we can see, in our earth we can see forest, and here farmlands, and here is the forest. We can see all this on our earth. So we should take care of our earth, no? So we should fertile soil also. We should grow more and more plants. So we should fertile soil. Here is the inland plain, and here is the coastal plain lands. Here is the plain lands. Here you can see grasslands drained by rivers. Low plateau good farming areas, and high plateaus good for livestock grazing. Tibetan Plateau is the roof of the world. Tibetan Plateau is the roof of the world. And Tibetan Plateau, here is the Antarctica Plateau and Deccan Plateau. These are the plateaus. Raised flat surface areas found bounded by cliffs or steep slopes. Here is the cliffs and steep slopes. Understood, children? Yes, we learned plateaus. Plateaus means, yes, children, here is the plateaus. And here you can see some plateaus. The Himalayan mountain ranges. The Himalayan mountain ranges run 2,400 kilometers across north of India. Mountain ranges, a long chain of mountain. This is a long chain of mountain is called mountain range. Yes, peaks. Peaks means the tip of the mountain are called peaks. This is the tip of the mountain is called as peak. Solid rocky masses present in long chain. Here is a solid and rocky masses present in long chains. Mount Everest, 8,848 meters above the sea level. And here solid rocky masses present in long chains. Here is the long chains means big mountains. Thousands of meters above the land surface. Here is the big mountain. It is thousands of meters above the land surface. Our earth has mountains, plateaus, plains, coastal plains, deserts and islands. Here natural, geographical or physical features. Landforms of the earth. Yes, children, already we learned. Here is the plateaus, Tibetan Plateau, rocky surface. Here is the Thar Desert and sandy desert. Tibetan Plateau. The Tibetan Plateau is the highest and largest plateau of the world. Plateaus rise out flat surface areas bounded by cliffs or steep slopes. I hope everybody understood this lesson, children. Everybody read this lesson once. Thank you.